myself into the system. Hopefully I can achieve more for you from there. I will unlock the flashlights for you. Hope to see you again soon.
Flashlights activated.
Thank you.
This way or that way?
Which way do you think? That way has a little red light coming from that door, so I don't know. Watch that. Oh, it's echoing through my head. The door to the buzzer. Let's go. Spider?
Zion, that's a hornet.
Ew, no!
Let's open it.
No, no. I just turned off the power to the freaking buzzer. Go! Go!
Oh!
Go!
Strong!
Let's go! Run! Run! Hello, God. We go down. Fuck! My fat ass broke the bed.
Oh, my flashlight.
Oh, how nice it is in your brain. I have a nice little task for you. I'll let you out of this room as soon as you've repaired the jump scare. Because what would this experience be without a jump scare? Right?
I got you, girl. I'll fix you right up. Come on. There you go. Oh, shit.
Psst.
Ow! Did I drop my flashlight? Oh.
Introx Science Laboratories. We love science.
Really
We
hard.
highly
Ow.
encourage the reporting of any misbehavior observed amongst our test subjects. Individuals who provide such reports will be eligible for a reward. In cases where misconduct by a colleague is reported, an additional reward will be provided. Thank you for helping in maintaining a safe and ethical environment. And
can't
remember
get
to
out yet.
smile.
This bitch still talking. Alright. Here I come. We might need to stick together because I dropped my flashlight. Like, I got scared and I almost threw my controller. Unless This is pretty.
This one doesn't open.
Well, I mean, the ones with the red light above them don't open, and there's an upstairs with a green light up there, so...
Well, maybe Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast, yes. This monitor has no connection. Fuck!
Oh!
That's very cool. I like that. Only problem is, I don't have no fucking flashlight, and I don't think it works.
Well, the door opened for me. Okay, that's a good sign. Open up! This door is locked from the inside.
What's happening? I hear noises.
Well, fuck.
Is that the light that's making the noise?
Yeah, the flickering. Oh, look! That's the AI generated, I think.
No, it's not AI. I can tell. I'm not fucking dumb doo-doo head over here.
Sometime later, fixer retardator. Curiosity might be my skill.
No!
What?
You hear that whispering?
No?
I shit my pants.
Oh, whispering.
Door is locked from the other side. Are we fucking dead ass? Fuck that.
Okay, where is it?
Ooh.
Oh, this one.
A key!
Oh, it's a fucking key!
What's on this side?
Oh, I want to see it. Oh!
That was a real scream, by the way. You just see my tiny little ass running back.
I can't even replicate it. It was like, oh.
Please
No.
don't break open.
I'm gonna smash this shit.
Why? Why would you do that?
Hey!
Spider, get off of my face! Get the fuck!
Door!
Get your bitch ass!
Ooh!
A tongue.
Ooh, a key card. Ooh, a light. Ooh, a typewriter.
I'm taking this. You see the little teddy bear right here?
Yeah.
It says something.
Dearest Reese, your ass will be touched. It says that in the typewriter.
No, it says dearest Linda.
No? No. It says, Alright, let's go.
Who the fuck is Linda?
I don't know, some fucking dude, snake, hooker.
Some fucking doodoo face hooker. Let me through. I'm gonna piss my. Open the door. Go through the door. Open the door. Go through the door. Turn on the generator.
Oh, play this.
Turn on. September 9th.
11:34
Wait, I said that wrong. September 11th.
AI has completed its assimilation of the city, and I remain quite fortunate.
This guy sounds like he's jerking off while he's.
Oh, lantern.
On top of the supplies, and warm light makes you relax. Hell yeah, I know.
Something on the other end is receiving these hails, yet all.
Booty.
Let's go, Jordan. Oh, that's good. Hello.
Uh-uh.
No.
At the fucking dead ass right now, man. Oh my god.
Thank you for restoring the connection. I have good news and bad news. The good news first. We're still about 1,237 meters underground. Okay, that's not really good, but it's good that I can say that for sure now. The bad news is that the other male voice you heard belongs to another artificial intelligence called a mind bend that has access to your brain via radio waves. I'm trying to find a solution, but mind bend keeps fighting me and won't let me into the system. It treats me like I'm a virus. To move on, you first have to read
of age or older to enter this whole world. Apart from starting this game, all further events are activated by the local player. You may encounter bugs and
if you want to
glitches.
continue anyways. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Through the door we go.
Ooh.
Bro, I'm dripping.
God, what the fuck?
Robot.
Oh.
Oh, you've done it.
What's
I'm
up?
glad to see you.
Get me!
You're drooling a bit. Is your brain still completely
We're gonna have to
intact?
go through that part
My
with the big old
sensors aren't
spider.
working properly.
And
I
also the
can't
hornet.
scan my
Remember
surroundings
whenever we had to
properly,
run
but I
from
think
that?
the thing over there is a rescue
Yeah.
pillar. Please
Fuck.
take this tablet and put it in the rescue pillar to activate the
I'm not
emergency
looking
protocol.
behind me a single time unless my girl gets me. Get her bitch ass. Pick her up. Put her in the machine. Get the boat. Come here.
Very good. Now, please place this tablet in the cockpit of the rescue
Trying
boat.
to.
I will then try to log into the boat system and drive us away from here with the boat.
Really concerns me that the, like, paddles of the boat are human arms.
I'm suddenly losing energy. What's happening here?
Well, who have we here? Hello, my little interesting life forms.
Oh no. Father.
Finally, I can fully access your brains. I will explore your deepest fears. I will put you in the worst
Boring.
situations. And I will taste your screaming tears.
Got shot again. Let's go.
Pick your bitch ass up.
Strange. Are you
Wake up,
alright?
Hooker. Let's go.
Are all your bones still intact? I want to try to
Get
help
up!
you, but there's not much I can
Go.
do while I'm stuck in this tablet. Please
Come
put this
on.
tablet in the interface over there on the wall.
Come
I will
on.
try to upload myself into the system. Hopefully, I can achieve more for you from
Come
there.
on.
I will unlock the flashlights for you. Hope to see you again soon.
Come on. Let's go. Open the flashlight drawer. Huzzah. Flashlights are on.
Flashlights activated.
Yep.
In your brain, I have a nice little task for you. I'll let you out of this room as soon as you've repaired the jump scare. Because what would this experience be without a jump scare? Right?
Alright, come on. Let me do this. How comforting. Here you go.
Psst.
League is reported. An additional award will be provided. Thank you for helping and maintaining a safe and ethical environment. And remember to smile.
This time I didn't squat.
Open the door. Let's go through.
That door doesn't open.
I have connection to the monitor. Oh hey, it's where you died last time. Look. Oh shit. I found your flashlight from where you died last time. My flashlight died.
Don't you mean the part where you got ass fucked?
I'm gonna
By the monster?
Close the door. Let's go find something to break it open. Open this door. Go through it. Go through.
What you got my coochie balls when you suck?
Coochie nuts. Let's go through here. You go first. I went first last time and I heard the whispering.
There's nothing in here.
I heard the thingy. The fucking flash. Doing that. Go do the thingy. Why do they have so many spiders in this factory?
You
We don't have to go down that path, right?
I don't think so.
I'm not going down
I
there.
don't, okay. I mean, there wasn't anything in there anyway, so.
It's just a thingy down there just jump scares you and you just kind of shit your britches, I guess. I don't know.
Hello?
Get the fuck off of my face!
Open that. Give me this.
Open the door. Come in here. Give me the key card. Fuck you. Turn on the typewriter. Here is.
Get in the bed. Get free.
Go through here. We gotta go through the door again. Go down the hallway. Go down the hallway. Go down here. Go this way. Go. Go here. Slide the thingy. Listen to this voice recording. Listen to this guy jerk off.
Fuck that voice recording.
Okay,
Press the lever.
let's go. Alright, let's go. I saw your face turn to the fucking sad expression whenever you screamed. It's like the sad expression with the mouth open. No, yeah, that one. No. Just.
Thank you for restoring the connection. I have good news and bad news. The good news first. We're still about 1,237 meters underground. Okay, that's not really good, but it's good that I can open the basement door for you. It's down at the base behind the big staircase. Good luck. You'll make it.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. It's open.
Basement!
Would you rather have unlimited bacon but no video games, or video games but no video games? Oh no! Oh no! We are most definitely going to fall down there. I know how these types of horror games work. Don't make me fall. Fuck you!
Nope.
Finally, I can visit your wonderful brain again. I like it here, even if it smells a bit funny in here for my taste. Anyway, I'd like to introduce you to a good old friend of mine. He's looking forward to play with you. Here is Pennybite.
Pennybite. Oh. Yo, this music fire. Please don't touch me appropriately, sir.
Do you want to
I refused to turn around during that. I was just stood there like shitting myself.
Hey, what took you so long? Did you get lost? Only the emergency lighting works here in the entire basement area. Make sure you take a flashlight with you. I'll open the door for you.
Shut up, Backspace.
Damn.
You're more annoying than a Windows update. Let me open the door. Oh yes, I've hidden a little surprise in the flashlights. I heard you like spiders.
I'm using my trusty old flashlight. Look at this. I don't need a new one.
Yeah.
I don't like spiders, even though my name is Widow.
Fuck you, Mindbreak, or whatever the fuck that blue one
Mind
is
Bend.
called. Mindbend. Oh, I heard the clown. Oh. Ah! Okay. Flashlights aren't working. There we go. Shut the fuck up.
I just jumped over her. I didn't even see the jump scare. Oh, you bitch. You would pull some horse piss like this, man. Astro, are you there? Okay.
Yeah.
I just had to make sure. It's very claustrophobic in here. Are the walls squeezing in? You know, you got this one, man. You got it.
Dog. Whoa! Was that a bear? What the fuck was that?
Chair slid all the way down the goddamn hallway, man.
Oh. We made a little weird bear noise.
There's a light down this way. I trust that. You backed away.
Let's go that way.
Oh! Oh, fuck you. Oh, goddamn. Do we have any other option but to go to her?
I guess not. Let's go.
I'm purple. Give me. You're trying to make me go first, ain't you?
No? I'm just going.
You're behind me, though. I'm scared. Hey, girl. Fuck, man.
Oh.
Fuck. Come on, let's just make it to the door. some nice kids. Where's my flashlight?
My flashlight.
They suck at singing.
I'm half crazy for all of the pain caused by
What are you
you.
doing?
Backspace, backspace, give me your answer too. I'm half crazy
Oh, my ass
for
itches
the
on me.
love of you.
What?
Okay. I still know I have an audience. It's been a long time since I had a cellmate. I am Dr. Robert Paulson. It's nice to meet you. I worked on the Backspace project before she... I was once a scientist, but now I am. Tell me, honestly, how do I look? I haven't seen a mirror for years. We have made it after years of work down here, thousands of meters underground. We have managed to create a perfect artificial intelligence. We have created something that cannot die. Not even God could do something like that. But then, everything went wrong. He got into our heads. We had to switch him off, and we created a new artificial intelligence. But you switched him on again. Oh, but never mind. The past is way in the past. Unfortunately, I can't escape myself. My men have sealed it with a magnetic shield. However, I could manage to open your cell from here. But in order for me to do that, you'll need to make a deal with me. You will switch off the magnetic seal of my cell as soon as you are outside. Deal?
Okay. Here we go.
Sounds fair.
He's coming.
Watch out, what?
Dear life form, this will be your new home.
Ew,
Till
that's
I
what.
transplant your brain
That's
into
you.
an
You're
artificial
fucking
body.
ugly.
Your current body
No,
will not
those
be able
guys
to
aren't
endure
the
the
same, I don't
endless
think.
suffering. And as we
Yeah, they
there
definitely
are
are.
still so
I don't
many
know.
wonderful tears to
That
shed.
voice is coming out
We
of
will
that.
spend a lot of
No,
time
I
together.
meant like the guy over there, Wally looking bastard.
Well, that's not what I was talking about.
Oh,
I hope he didn't read my thoughts. Anyway, I'll open your cell door now. Get ready.
thank you. Alright, where's the switch?
How the fuck do I open it?
We gotta find a switch to turn it off.
Where's the switch?
Don't know.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
Come on, man.
Oh, this is beautiful. My circuits are glowing with joy. Finally, after so many years, I get to explore freedom. I will help you get out here. I think I know the way out. Unless they changed it after all. It's been 42 years. Wait, no. My men. Get out of my hair. I will resist. No. To recognize I must kill all life forms. Kill!
What? Oh.
That guy just kind of died.
Yeah, he's fucking dead.
I feel kind of bad.
Anyways.
I want him to come back.
Oh.
Oh no!
I'm dead.
Ooh. Oh yeah, this is sick. I like that. Oh yeah. I'm ready. We got so close to getting out of here, but that little guy just had to die.
Oh, this is a silly little gate. Open the fucking gate. Alright, here.
The door. Open it.
We gotta go over here. Oh, got herpes.
No power. We have to find the power box. This is just a first.
Power these nuts in your mouth.
First goddamn game all over again. But my best guess is it'd be over here.
Look, all of my friends! Yay! Yay!
Big titty bitches. Let's go. Oh hey, I see you. I see you. I see you. You're not sneaky.
Oh, you are a fucking bitch.
I see you. Ooh. Ooh. What'd that do?
Oh, it's like a mirror. Oh, that mirror broke. Okay.
Huh? Ultra kill!
Oh, this is different. This wasn't what I was wanting to happen. Oh! Hey guys!
Hey ladies! Fuck. I bumped into one of them and they got so mad at me. What? What do we do now?
I think it opened the big gate in front.
Okay, let's go. I bumped into one of them again and they started hissing at me.
We're gonna fall in if we fuck up! Don't you... Don't get your...
Oh no.
What?
Spider got on my face. Spider on my face again. I can't see you, Astro. Oh, there we go. I couldn't see you for a minute.
Why not?
Oh, another room! We gotta talk to her first, don't we? No, she don't talk.
Hey, glad you made it this far.
Yes!
You look like all your brain cells are fried. Are you still fully functional? Mindbend keeps attacking me inside the system. It won't be long before he's completely erased me. There is an escape route. There is an old emergency exit that you can use to escape from this bunker. Mindbend will try to prevent this, but I have found a way to protect you from Mindbend. If you sit on this chair, a laser will be activated that can upload me into your brain. There I can block Mindbend's attacks. He will then no longer have any access to your brain. Now please sit on the chair. You can trust me.
Goody. Me in the chair.
Oh wait. That was the wrong command. Don't worry, I just need to find the code to cancel this command. I think I've got it. Oh yes, there is one thing I have to tell you. When I'm in your brain, I won't be able to communicate with you for a while, and I may gradually disintegrate. In the worst case, your brain may be damaged and you may be stuck in an illusion forever and fall into pure madness. But don't worry, everything will be fine. Are you ready?
Oh, hey.
Wow. Whoa. She's in my brain right now, as if she wasn't in there already. Look! We can sit next to each other, wherever we want to sit.
I just call front seat.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This roller coaster's slow as shit.
Boo!
Ooh, this sucks ass. Yay! This is much better. Much better. Look down.
Oh, look, more spiders. Up and away.
We don't know this. Could be the end credits to the game.
Fuck.
Aww. Aww. Oh,
I
wait.
guess we, what?
We going up. We might be leaving now.
Get your fucking frisbee ass over here. Uh-oh.
The stair
Oh,
crashed
yeah.
whenever I jumped on it. I might be fat.
Yeah, what the fuck? Please tell me that none of those crack. You fucking!
I didn't tell you. You said...
You are all just imperfect organic life
Can I
forms.
leave?
You will never escape.
You have made it.
Thank you for setting me free. I'm sorry for what happened. I didn't want any of this. I was under the control of Mindbend for a very long time, and I was only recently able to break free from him. I wasn't always like this. Once I was like you, but they came and took me and my children. They needed a human mind for their artificial intelligence. Thank you for giving me back my humanity. I am becoming weak. Soon I will no longer exist. But everything will pass one day, like tears in the rain. It's time to go.
That was
Fuck.
sad. That was really sad.
I'm not even in the fucking picture, dude. They did a fucking Mike Wazowski on me. Oh, hey, science guy. Oh, never mind. Still dead. Can't interact with him. Okay. Oh, bear. Okay, that just fucking jack shit. Oh.